Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Understanding artificial intelligence terminology is crucial for unlocking its potential. This glossary will guide you through essential terms, setting the stage for deeper insights into artificial intelligence's transformative power. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, empowers systems to learn from experience without explicit programming. It forms the foundation for advanced techniques like deep learning, which utilizes neural networks to analyze complex patterns. Understanding machine learning is crucial for grasping the evolution of artificial intelligence technologies. Deep learning, an advanced machine learning technique, employs neural networks with multiple layers to analyze complex patterns in data. This powerful approach enables systems to learn intricate relationships, enhancing their ability to process and interpret information effectively. Natural language processing allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's a key AI technology bridging the gap between human communication and machine understanding, enabling applications like chatbots and language translation. This capability is crucial for creating more intuitive and interactive AI systems. Computer vision empowers machines to interpret and understand visual data, a crucial aspect of artificial intelligence. By analyzing images and videos, it enables applications like facial recognition and autonomous vehicles. This field is pivotal in transforming how machines perceive the world, enhancing their ability to interact with their environment. Reinforcement learning is a dynamic decision-making process where an agent interacts with its environment to maximize rewards. This approach is pivotal in developing systems that learn optimal strategies through trial and error, enhancing their decision-making capabilities over time. Neural networks, inspired by biological systems, are pivotal in artificial intelligence. They learn complex patterns and relationships, driving advancements in artificial intelligence. These networks mimic the human brain, enabling machines to process data in innovative ways, crucial for artificial intelligence's evolution. Understanding AI terminology is essential for navigating the AI landscape. Grasp key concepts like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. These terms empower you to effectively engage with AI advancements and join the AI revolution. As we conclude our artificial intelligence glossary journey, remember the importance of staying informed on artificial intelligence developments. Embrace the knowledge to navigate the evolving artificial intelligence landscape effectively. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of artificial intelligence terminology.